Hello friends. Whenever a new bike is about to launch, every biker's heart starts beating faster. Everyone's mind has the same question. Will we see something new this time or the same old design? And this time the answer is something completely new and razor sharp. Because Honda has sharpened its urban weapon. 2026 Honda CB150R Streetfire Matte Black Metallic, which unleashes high-rev single fury, naked agility, and Japanese precision engineering. So let's break down its top 10 points that make it the entry-level naked hooligan. Number 1. Price and value for money. U.S. gray market MSRP for 2026 Honda CB150R Streetfire lands $3 for $99, $999 matte black metallic. Via importers, undercutting U.S. 300 to 400 cubic centimeters rivals by $2,000 plus with super sport DNA. Honda crams racing-derived 149 cubic centimeters platform with premium touches. Showa $41 million US forks. Nissan radial mount calipers biting 276 millimeters disc. Full LCD digital dash. LED lighting, keyless ignition. All standard. You get liquid-cooled 149 cubic centimeters DOHC single, 17 horsepower at 10,000 RPM, 10 lb-FD at 7,000 RPM. Perimeter steel frame, 24.4 degrees rake, 6-speed cassette gearbox, aggressive sport naked geometry. Ownership minimal. For 1,000-mile service, $100. 2.6-gallon tank, 250-plus mile range. Bulletproof resale. Urban assassins filtering Seattle traffic. Canyon flickers carving back roads. Budget commuters. $3, $7.99. Delivers 70% 250 cubic centimeters thrill. Insane import value annihilates Kawasaki Ninja 300 overkill. $5,499. Yamaha R15 import complexity for $1,299. Suzuki GSX 250 R plastic sole for $1,999. CB150 R precision slices deepest. Number 2. Mileage and efficiency. Ultralight 307 pounds wet efficiency kingpin. PGMFI injection. Close ratio 6-speed deliver 80 to 90 miles per gallon city hooliganism. 95 to 110 miles per gallon 60 miles per hour highway. Verified tests. 2.6-gallon tank stretches 250 to 280 mile rampages. Perfect urban marathons or weekend escapes. 55 to 70 miles per hour. Cruises 100 miles per gallon. Drops 85 miles per gallon pinned. Crushes class. Real world. 300-mile loops average 92 miles per gallon. City 45 miles per hour, 88 miles per gallon. Single thirst negligible. Overall, wallet rocket meets endless streets. Number 3. Engine and performance. 149 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC 4-valve single screams, 17 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. 10 lb-FD at 7,000 RPM. Redline 11,000 revolutions per minute racer DNA. Feisty 0 to 60 miles per hour, 8.5 seconds. Quarter mile, 16.5 at 78 mph. 40 to 60 miles per hour snap overtakes. 6-speed cassette aggression. Optional Yoshimura slip-on plus 1 horsepower roar. High rev whale idle smooth. Shrieks 10k RPM. Addictive racer soundtrack. Torque enables playful wheelies first gear. Mid-range canyon usable. 95 miles per hour top end. Street assassin, amateur track toy. Fun spectrum. Number 4. Features and technology. Full LCD digital cluster ride-by-wire throttle. 3 modes. Comfort sport race. Keyless smart start, USB-C charging. Dual channel ABS. Honda selectable torque control. HSDC traction. External fuel filler. LED projector headlight. /DRL. Adjustable levers. Showa $41 million forks. ProLink rear monoshock preload. Nissan radial 2-piston caliper. Matte black metallic frame / body. Red accents premium. Overall, racer precision street smart. Number 5. Design and looks. CB150R Streetfire weaponizes naked minimalism. Matte black metallic tank / fenders. Stacked LED projector. Exposed perimeter frame. Aggressive naked. 31.1-inch seat. 6.3-inch clearance. 17-inch alloys. 110/70-17/150/60-17. Clip-on bars, rear sets, numbered plates. Short 52.8-inch wheelbase flicks, lightest class. Exposed engine demand scars. Japanese finishes, CB150R, race ready. Number 6. Performance and top speed. 95 miles per hour pocket racer. 0 to 60, 8.5 seconds. 40 to 70 miles per hour quick. Street tires 45 degrees lean. Geometry super sport sharp. Urban precision, canyon flick. Rain survivable. Track amateur capable. Traction confident. Street weapon, canyon killer. Pocket vicious. Number 7. Comfort and ride quality. Clip-on posture 150 mile capable. Neutral attack. 31.1-inch seat firm. Vibes 80 miles per hour tolerable. Wind upright okay 70 miles per hour. Solo optimized. Mirrors functional. Suspension eats bumps. Heat minimal. 250-mile runs okay. Naked sport endurance. Number 8. Build quality and durability. Honda race pedigree. Drop survivor. Perimeter frame tough. Corrosion proof. Showa 10,000 plus mile. Brakes reliable. Cooling solid. For K mile oil. U.S. importers plus Honda parts. Chain 15K miles. 50,000 mile potential. Reliability proven. Number 9. Comparison and competition. 150 cubic centimeters naked. Kawasaki Z125 Pro toy, $3,599. Yamaha XSR 125 Retro, $3,999. CB150R dominates. Z125 underpowered. XSR lacks USD forks. USP, full sport naked $3, $799 USD forks /ABS. Number 10. Launch date and availability. 2026 CB150 are imports via U.S. Honda dealers /importers Q2 2026. Urban Demos Coastal. Honda.com APAC spec. Financing $69 month importers. Colors. Matte black metallic. Limited import. Secure early. So friends, that's a razor review of the 2026 Honda CB150R Streetfire matte black metallic. Crave pocket hooligan? Comment. Streets or canyons? Subscribe for naked heat. Revs rising unleash.